Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into NTB credit card account using a desktop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser and in the address bar at the top, type in NTB credit card login and press enter. On the next page where all of your search results are displayed, click on this first link that says NTB/credit card. From the main homepage of NTB, go and click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner. On the next page where you can see your sign in area, type in your email address into the email address text box. Head over to the next field after you're done and type in your password correct. Once you're done typing in your credentials, you can sign into your account. In case you don't remember your password, you can reset your password to a new one by clicking on the Forgot Password link. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials, then leave the box checked right where it says Remember Me. But if you are using a public device or a shared mobile device, make sure to leave this unchecked before moving on. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button and you'll be able to log into your NTB credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.